In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create workflows in QuickBooks Online Advanced. Workflows are simple automations that help you save time and keep your accounting processes consistent. Think of them as rules that tell QuickBooks what to do when certain things happen, like an invoice going past due or a bill being approved. To get started, look at the left panel in QuickBooks and click Workflow Automations. This area is your hub for every automation you manage. Next, head over to the My Workflows tab. Here, you'll see the list of workflows you've already created. It's a helpful place to review what's active, what's in draft, and what might need updates as your processes evolve. When you're ready to build something new, click Custom Workflow in the top right. This opens the setup experience where you define exactly what you want QuickBooks to watch for and what you want it to do in response. First, select the type of record for your workflow automation. This is the foundation of the rule. For example, you might choose invoices, estimates, bills, or other transaction types, depending on what you're trying to automate. Picking the right record type ensures your workflow triggers at the right moment and on the right data. After that, select the action you want QuickBooks to take, then click Next. Actions can include things like sending a reminder, creating a task for a teammate, or notifying someone when a condition is met. Choose the action that matches your goal, whether that's improving follow-up, keeping your team aligned, or staying on top of deadlines. QuickBooks will now create a template workflow for you, ready to be edited. This template gives you a head start. Review the name and description so it's clear what the workflow does. Then fine-tune the conditions, such as timing, amounts, or statuses, so the automation runs exactly when it should. If your action involves a message, adjust the wording to keep it concise and helpful. Use placeholders where available so details like customer names or transaction numbers are automatically included. After making all the necessary changes, click Save, and there you go. Your workflow is now set up and ready to help you work smarter. A few quick tips as you wrap up. Give your workflows clear names, start simple, and regularly review them as your business changes. Consider testing with non-critical records first to confirm everything behaves as expected. With a thoughtful setup, these automations can reduce manual follow-up and keep your financial processes running smoothly.